In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add status in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set and change a task's status, so your team always knows what's moving, what's waiting, and what's done. First, log into your ClickUp workspace. Enter the email associated with your account, then your password, and click the Login button. Once you're in, head to your Team Space overview. This is the central place where your projects and lists live, and it's a great starting point for keeping everything organized. Now switch to the List view if you're not already there. List view makes it really easy to see task names alongside their statuses. Click Add Task to create a new task. Give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. As a tip, consistent naming helps your team scan and prioritize faster. Next, look at the task row you just created. On the left, you'll see a small circle or status pill. Click that. A menu will open with the available statuses for this list. These options are defined at the list level, so what you see might vary depending on how your workspace is set up. Go ahead and choose In Progress to indicate the work has started. If you want to practice switching, click the same spot again and select To Do to move it back to the queue. This quick toggle is perfect when you're triaging or reprioritizing your day. You can also change a task's status from inside the task itself. Click the task name to open its detail window. At the top of the task, look for the status field. Click it, and you'll see the same set of options. Let's mark this one as Close to indicate it's complete. Closing tasks helps clean up your active views and gives your reports a true picture of progress. A couple of helpful pointers as you work. If you don't see the status choices you expect, check that you're in the correct list, since statuses are customized per list. And if a status change isn't available, you may need permission from your workspace admin to adjust or create statuses. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to your team space, created a task, and changed its status, both from the list and from within the task. Mastering these simple moves keeps your projects transparent, your priorities clear, and your team aligned with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider hitting like and subscribe so you don't miss more quick guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and cheers.